Yeah. Is there like an award for, or does a bell go off if you put it on upside down? Does everyone?
No, we all just point and laugh.
Yeah.
It was fun to have a leader come down to learn what redeployment was today as far as working on face mask. It was nice to learn more about him and who he is on a more personal level. And it was great because not only does he lead, but he took direction really well, and we had some fun.
With this past QA, I didn't even, look how, it's still good. I mean, it's straight, but I think it's not perfectly in between the two notches.
Ooh. Yeah, we'll give that to somebody with a lopsided head.
Only a pediatrician can truly appreciate that joke, right? Hey, so how many have you made so far?
We're close to 60,000 that we've made
And
over the last 4.5, 5 weeks.
when I think about the work going on here and the team that's come together, so you have echocardiographers and people who work in mammography and physical therapy, and they didn't know each other, they came together, they're working on creating the things that our caregivers need to stay safe during this pandemic.
Even though what we're doing here is very important, what they're doing out there takes a lot of courage to do what they're doing, and I'm proud that I can be a very small part of it.
You know what I'm going to take back to my colleagues on the executive leadership team is just the next story about how great our caregivers are, how they look at this moment and say, this is the next thing for us to do. This isn't the next hard thing or anything like that. It's just like, this is who we are. So thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.